but in your case you can press yes, the system will automatically shut down. And I have already tested this script on my PC and it is working. So I am pressing no, press enter. Your program is still running. Do you want to kill? Yes. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Dhurub Saxena from Python Beginners YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. So let's start. So today I'm gonna show you how to shut down your PC using a Python program. First we need to import a OS module. Import OS. Now we need to take the input from the user. Shutdown is equals to input pass the message. Do you want to shut down your PC? Option is yes and no. And now check the condition. If shutdown is equals to no. At the time of input we need to pass the same string as we have mentioned here. No. Then call the exit function, else call os.system shutdown 1s space 1t space 1. Basically this command will explicitly call the logout function and it will shut down your PC. Okay, so that is the script. Save this script, shutdown.pc. Now run this script. Do you want to shut down your PC? So I am entering no, because if I press yes, then system will turn off and this recording will also close. So I am pressing no, but in your case you can press yes, the system will automatically shut down. And I have already tested this script on my PC and it is working. So I am pressing no, press enter. Your program is still running. Do you want to kill? Yes. So guys, if you want to this script worked on only yes and no. Guys, if you want that this script will work on any type of input like yes, this uppercase yes, capitalized yes, or lowercase yes, and if you want that any type of no will not work, so we need to modify this script. We need to some changes. We are taking input in str and then we are assign this value to shutdown variable. Shutdown is equals to str dot, we need to call the capitalize function. This line is basically used for if you press any type of input, it will convert into capitalized letter. If you press yes, then it will convert into yes. If you press yes, then it will convert into yes. So that's why I'm using here. And now we need to change here, else if shutdown is equals to yes. Okay, so this will call else. If user press anything else, yes or no, and we need to print a message, wrong key entered. So let's run this script. And if you want, like I am pressing HH, then it will print wrong key entered. And press run again. Do you want to continue? If you want any type of no, if you press no in this case, it is working here. So that is all in the today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this video. We will be back with another amazing tutorial in the next video. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.